unfortunately, fire can be happen. We die. But the difference is that China is using the zero COVID policy. Let everybody stay at home. When the fire began, the people, they couldn't escape from their home because of the shameful China. They closed the door of the people from the outside. The children, youngest one is 3 years old. They have old people. They couldn't escape from the fire because Chinese government, they closed the door. Do not let the people to go outside. Shouldn't be happen. Enough is enough. We don't want to see more people die. We don't want to see more Uzbekistanis die because of the Chinese regime. Where is the United Nations? Where is the human rights group? Why no one say anything against this shameful terrorist China? Where is the world? We don't want more people die for no reason. Think about it. You have a fire in your home and you can't escape because they close the door from the outside. This shouldn't happen. Europeans, they have to speak up. America, Netherlands, everyone have to speak up against the terrorist China. Think about it for yourself. We all have children, families, like just they are. They couldn't escape the fire because the door is closed. Shame on China! Terrorist China! Terrorist China!
Terrorist China!
Terrorist China!
Terrorist China!
Terrorist China!
Terrorist China!
We enjoy our life, but don't forget they can happen to you next day. Because Chinese government they want to get bigger and bigger. We are the first innocent victim country as East Turkestan. If we let the Chinese government growing up as they want, they can happen to you next today. So before it's too late, tell your friends, tell your government, tell all the people you know, say no to China. It's the time. Say no to China. Enough is enough. We don't want to see more innocent people dying. The children, we don't want to see them die for no reason. Just because it's China. We understand they have economic power. But we shouldn't shut up about the human rights, about the innocent people dying just because they are rich, they are strong. We should believe the people power. Doesn't matter how big they are. We should stand in the right side, in the side of the justice. We have to stand up to say no. China, you have to stop doing the genocide in East Turkestan. Shame on China!
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 Uyghur is Oost-Turkestan van de wereldkaart geweest. Dat is al erg genoeg voor elk gemiddeld Uyghur. Als je naar het landkaart van Oost-Turkestan kijkt, zie je grote rivieren, waaronder Tarim en Ili rivier. Alleen ik durf te wedden. Ik durf te wedden dat er nog een grote rivier is. In deze rivier stroomt geen water, maar er stroomt Uyghurs bloed. Dag na dag wordt de rivier voller en voller met Uyghurs bloed. Van alle mensen die doodgaan van de honger. Van alle mensen die lijden van 40 graden koorts. Van alle mensen die zelfmoord plegen omdat ze het gewoon niet meer kunnen volhouden. Van alle mensen die doodgaan in hun huizen en pas na dagen worden gevonden. Van alle vrouwen die zwanger zijn en thuis bevallen in deze situatie. Vanwege strikte coronamaatregelen hebben de Chinezen de Oeigoeren gebarricadeerd in hun huizen. Met opdracht om te schieten op de Oeigoeren die proberen te vluchten. Afgesloten huizen, schreeuwende mensen, huilende baby's, brandweerlieden die niet kwamen. Een hopeloze strijd. Onderdrukte
silent. If you don't get silent, you need to ask your government, your local government, your parliament, your representatives. Ask them why they are not taking action until now. The Netherlands will recognize the Uyghur genocide in the first place in Europe. But still, it's not enough because the genocide is still going on. And we want your support, not only your compassion. We want you boycott China. We want you take action. Boycott China, boycott forced labor products, boycott Chinese products, and ask your government stay strong against China and the values of human rights that they promise us. Thank you so much.
Fascist China!